In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, you need to access device's settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now scroll down again, click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode in order to activate it. When you're ready, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, click on this area at the top or simply swipe up. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!